Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental parts of web development, HTML tags. First things first, what are HTML tags? Well, think of them as the building blocks of your website. They're like Lego pieces that tell your browser how to structure content. Each tag serves a specific purpose. Every HTML document starts with this tag. It tells your browser, hey, this is an HTML document. Inside the HTML tag, there are two main sections, head and body. The head contains meta information like the page title, links to style sheets, and scripts. Think of it as the brain of your web page. The body is where the magic happens. It holds everything your visitors will actually see, like text, images, and buttons. First, the H1 to H6 tags. These are your headings, with H1 being the biggest and most important, and H6 the smallest. Perfect for structuring content. Want to add a paragraph? Use the P tag. Like this, P. This is a paragraph. Hyperlinks, that's a images, tag used like this. Want a list? You've got UL for unordered and OL for ordered. With these, you can structure your content beautifully. Feeling confident? Let's level up. The div tag is your go-to for grouping elements, while span is great for styling specific parts of your text. And for forms, you'll need input, button, and more. Remember, each tag has its own role, and as you practice, you'll get the hang of where and how to use them. Before we go, here's a pro tip. Always make sure your tags are properly opened and closed. For example, P should always have a P at the end. This keeps your code clean and your web page working perfectly. And that's it. You've just unlocked the basics of HTML tags. With these, you can start creating your own web pages in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.